Welcome to the YOLO Sound Effects. We will show you how sound effects are made in movies. You take a ruler and you bang it against the curtain.
You use a punch.
You use a ruler and you saw it against the table.
You use a beanbag and you tilt it up and down.
You just walk on the flat surface.
You bang your hand on a chair in a repetition. Your right hand 3 times and your left hand once.